She runs every morning. She runs every morning. He writes a letter to his friend. He writes a letter to his friend. They cook dinner together. They cook dinner together. We sing in the choir. We sing in the choir. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. The dog barks at strangers. The dog barks at strangers. She paints beautiful landscapes. She paints beautiful landscapes. He jumps over the fence. He jumps over the fence. They swim in the ocean. They swim in the ocean. I study for my exams. I study for my exams. She drives to work. She drives to work. He dances at the party. He dances at the party. We play football on Sundays. We play football on Sundays. I watch movies on weekends. I watch movies on weekends. She laughs at the joke. She laughs at the joke. He listens to music while jogging. He listens to music while jogging. They climb the mountain. They climb the mountain. We celebrate birthdays together. We celebrate birthdays together. I practice the piano daily. I practice the piano daily. She solves math problems quickly. She solves math problems quickly. He teaches English at school. He teaches English at school. They build sandcastles at the beach. They build sandcastles at the beach. We draw pictures during class. We draw pictures during class. I exercise at the gym regularly. I exercise at the gym regularly. She decorates the Christmas tree. She decorates the Christmas tree. He shops for groceries every week. He shops for groceries every week. They explore new cities while traveling. They explore new cities while traveling. We learn new words every day. We learn new words every day. I clean the house on Saturdays. I clean the house on Saturdays. She feeds the birds in the park. She feeds the birds in the park. He fixes the broken chair. He fixes the broken chair. They water the plants in the garden. They water the plants in the garden. We prepare for the exam together. We prepare for the exam together. I organize my desk every month. I organize my desk every month. She talks on the phone for hours. She talks on the phone for hours. He shaves his beard every morning. He shaves his beard every morning. They exercise outdoors during summer. They exercise outdoors during summer. We arrange the chairs before the meeting. We arrange the chairs before the meeting. I invite friends over for dinner. I invite friends over for dinner. She carries the groceries to the car. She carries the groceries to the car. He rides his bike to school. He rides his bike to school. They collect stamps as a hobby. They collect stamps as a hobby. We visit our grandparents on holidays. We visit our grandparents on holidays. I join the chess club at school. I join the chess club at school. She opens the window for fresh air. She opens the window for fresh air. He closes the door gently. He closes the door gently. They paint the house every summer. They paint the house every summer. We fix the car together. We fix the car together. I plan my trip to Europe. I plan my trip to Europe. She follows the recipe carefully. She follows the recipe carefully.